Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna working on this Marshall Bluetooth speaker. The model is Woburn and the symptoms has no power. At this time, I am just checking the wiring connections. Analyzing the circuits, the connection, speaker wires, and here I'm just checking if it has a built-in battery. But for this model, it has no built-in battery. Now I'm checking the fuse, and the fuse is blown up. We have no continuity on this fuse, meaning fuse is open. I need to remove these wires because I'm going to take out the board to inspect. All the screws must be unscrewed. Also in this side where the regulator is here. And later on I am going to show to you the test point where is the bolts, because this board has a lot of bolts like 3.3 bolts, 4.5, I think 30 bolts. I'm going to unscrew this part and also here. Now this board is a little bit difficult to touch because it has foam that stick on the panel, so I need to use my hot air at least to easily remove the adhesive foam. You have to lift it up gently, and in this part I remove the board safely. Now I am checking here if there is a short circuit. I start checking this capacitor because sometimes on this line I'm getting short. I'm still using the analog tester. Actually, once the fuse blown up, meaning there's something wrong in the circuit, or sometimes the fluctuation of the current. So to make it sure to avoid any damage, I am double checking the circuit board if there is a short before I replace the fuse. So these are the part that I am checking if there is a short. Since the circuit board has no short, I always start checking if there is a short with the capacitor, because this capacitor is a filter or the storage, current storage. So the main supply is running on this line where the capacitor is connected. So this line must be, there is no shorted, because if there is a shorted line in this part, it will not turning on. So I'm now installing the fuse, and I am checking this for me to as a reference. If this IC will blown up, I do have a part number. I'm installing it back, and After this, I'm going to to test turning on, and it has power now. I'm going to connect my smartphone and do checking the audio. After checking the audio and the last part of this video, I'm going to share the test point. So sounds is okay, and here I'm going to check some bolts. Okay, my black test probe is on the ground and I'm pointing here. This one I'm getting 30.55 volts. You see that green like resistor. This one is the fusible resistor. I'm getting 20 here, and here 13 volts positive, and here is 3.3 volts, and here is 4.8 volts, and here is 3.2 volts, and here I think this one is ground. Okay, 3.8 volts, and here 30 volts. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and hope you get some idea here, and God bless us.